The discoveries of human history and migration is constantly evolving with new archaeological discoveries. One such discovery that has recently captured the attention of scientists and history enthusiasts alike involves mammoth bones and so-called ghost footprints, which suggest that humans may have arrived in North America much earlier than previously believed. So what exactly has been discovered? Let's find out today on Documentify TV. In North America, we know that mammoths were already here. It would only make sense the ancient people would follow them too. Yet the conventional timeline places the arrival of the first humans in North America at around 10,000 to 15,000 years ago. This estimation is based on the belief that these early settlers traveled from Asia over a land bridge that spanned the Bering Strait during the last ice age. However, recent findings at the Heartley site in northern New Mexico challenge this timeline. A team of researchers from the University of Texas at Austin uncovered a collection of mammoth bones that have been radiocarbon dated to approximately 37,000 years ago. The bones exhibit patterns of fractures and markings that suggest human activity, possibly butchering for meat. This evidence is supported by the presence of bone flakes, a characteristic byproduct of the butchering process, and chemical analysis of the surrounding sediment that indicates controlled use of fire, unlikely to be the result of natural occurrences. In this image of 3 rib bones, the top rib, you can clearly see a blunt force fracture to the rib. The middle rib bone shows a puncture wound that could have been made with a tool. The bottom rib bone shows chopping marks on the surface of the bone. These findings are significant because they imply that humans could have been present in North America up to 27,000 years earlier than the widely accepted arrival time. If this is the case, it would not only push back the date of human settlement on the continent, but also raise questions about how these early humans arrived and survived in such a different and challenging environment. The debate among scientists regarding these findings is ongoing. Some researchers are skeptical, suggesting that the bone fractures could have occurred naturally. Others hail the discovery as some of the most conclusive evidence yet of early human settlement in North America. Timothy Rowe, the lead author of the study, and a professor at the University of Texas, asserts that the radiocarbon dating and the evidence of butchering are compelling indicators of human presence. Adding to the intrigue are the ghost footprints found at various sites, including a recent discovery on an Air Force missile range in Utah. These footprints, believed to be around 12,000 years old, support the existence of humans in North America at a time when it was thought to be inaccessible due to massive ice sheets. The implications of these discoveries are profound. They not only challenge our understanding of human migration patterns, but also our knowledge of the capabilities and adaptability of early humans. As research continues, we may need to rewrite the history books to accommodate a new narrative of human ingenuity and resilience. The quest to understand the timeline of human migration into North America has been a subject of intense study and debate among archaeologists and anthropologists. Recent discoveries have pushed back the estimated time of arrival, challenging previous theories and opening the door to new questions about the adaptability and ingenuity of early humans. The Cerruti Mastodon site, in 1992, a startling discovery was made in San Diego, California. Construction workers unearthed ancient bones, including those of a mastodon, which bore marks suggestive of human activity. After extensive analysis, researchers proposed that these bones, dating back to 130,000 years ago, showed signs of being processed by early humans or hominin species. This predates the previously accepted timeline by over 100,000 years. The White Sands footprints. In New Mexico, researchers found human footprints that have been dated to between 23,000 and 21,000 years ago. These footprints provide tangible evidence of human activity in the Americas during the last glacial maximum, a period when massive ice sheets would have made migration into the continent challenging. Bluefish Caves. Faunal remains. In the Bluefish Caves of Yukon, Canada, evidence of a human-modified cut marks on extinct horse jawbone was discovered. initially met with skepticism, reanalysis of the site suggested that humans could have been present up to 24,000 years ago, using the caves as a base for hunting and butchering animals. Meadowcroft Rock Shelter, located in Pennsylvania, this site has yielded evidence of human habitation dating back to at least 16,000 years ago. Tools and remnants of campfires suggest a long-term presence of humans in the area. Monte Verde. Though located in South America, the Monte Verde site in Chile provides evidence of human presence dating back to at least 18,500 years ago. This suggests that humans had already migrated through North America and reached the southern tip of the continent by this time. Cooper's Ferry. Situated in Idaho, archaeological findings at Cooper's Ferry indicate human presence around 16,000 years ago. The artifacts found here add to the evidence that humans may have used a coastal migration route to enter North America. These findings collectively point to a more complex and nuanced history of human migration into North America than previously understood. The evidence suggests that early humans were present on the continent much earlier than the traditional timeline indicates, and they were capable of adapting to diverse and challenging environments. As research continues, it is likely that our understanding of early human migration will continue to evolve, shedding light on the remarkable journey of our ancestors. For every new discovery that is found, new questions are surfaced, adding to the complication and mystery of what mainstream had surmised from incomplete theories of past timelines. One thing we know for certain is that we are not done learning and discovering our ancestors' migration into what is now North America. What are your thoughts? Do you think there will be other new discoveries in the future? Leave your comments below. We would love to hear from you.